Hi, hi, hi.
So this is an absolute food coma you're talking
Okay.
about of the next level.
Wow.
Again, which came first, the zulbia or the jalebi? It might be one of those questions about the chicken and the egg. So I'm not really
I'm
sure.
actually, so the Pakistani or the Indian version of jalebi does not have saffron in it.
Hmm.
So I'm actually thinking, so if it went to Iran from the subcontinent, then the Iranians added the saffron to it, or if it came from Iran to the subcontinent, the people there took the saffron
They
out.
said no, it's too expensive.
Yeah.
In Iran, all you have is carpets and cats and saffron.
Right.
So, but sorry, doubt our ends. I would imagine personally, despite being of Desi descent, I want to be realistic. I think it was maybe us who took this from the Persians.
Okay.
Maybe even I would guess and say this became popular during the Mughal period.
Right.
I would imagine. This
So
is all guesswork.
so there are a lot of dishes. Like for example, you take halim.
Hmm.
The origins go to Iran. I mean, I'm sure it came to Iran from somewhere, but we can trace it back there. And then nihari as well. You know, it's also in the Iranian culture as well.
We didn't invent the nihari, the nalli nihari.
No, we didn't. Maybe the nalli nihari. Maybe we invented the nalli nihari, but nihari, or we invented the maghaz nihari.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Why are we talking about food?
We're talking about food from around the world, but you just are going on and on and on.
Okay.
But please keep on. See, the thing with me is, I don't have a sweet tooth. I'm really lucky in life in that way. I've omitted white processed sugar from my life,
Wow.
literally. Unless maybe I have a couple of crisps or anything. जो आपको उसमें processed होता है, which is processed, ultra processed food. Kabhi kabar, yeah, there's sugar in there. But I don't have a sweet tooth. My problem is a savory tooth. So when I was talking about zulbia, about jalebi, I was normal. I was, reasonable man. But as soon as Leena started mentioning the Nalli Niharis and the Halims, you saw the look in my eyes just change,
Yeah, he
transform.
started sweating already.
I have a savory tooth. I don't have a sweet tooth.
Okay.
But you like a bit of both, right?
I have a carb tooth.
Oh, right.
I have a sweet tooth, which is like the least of them. The carb tooth and the savory tooth is on the top.
Okay.
Yeah. The sweet tooth happens just, like once a month, twice a month, or something like that.
And you know what? Speaking of, I actually did see. Mum is right. We do a lot of research for this show. Since we're going on this whole healthy routine of also encouraging and talking about healthy things, I found out Zulbia's nutritional facts.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So while we're at it, Zulbia, in 100 grams, you're looking at around 296 calories.
Wow.
And it is high on carbs. Um,
Fats. Ask me, I'll tell you.
yeah. It's high on
I'll
carbs
just tell you.
and fats and sugar,
Yeah.
but is low on cholesterol. Oh, well, thank you.
I mean, it's deep fried.
Yeah.
I don't think it can be low on cholesterol.
नहीं अगर वो पकवान कुकिंग ऑयल लें नो कोलेस्ट्रॉल.
So, okay, so there is this cholesterol that you eat,
Uh-huh.
but there is this cholesterol that your body produces. Cholesterol is a hormone that body produces as a result of eating too much carbs.
Oh.
So there is cholesterol in animal protein, in milk and meat, but then there's cholesterol that your body is going to produce. A lot of people who are vegetarians or who are vegans, how come they have cholesterol? It's because they have eaten too many carbs and they have in turn made cholesterol.
I feel my cholesterol rising right now as we speak, actually.